Therefore, I said to you, either you do it in newspapers or whatever it is, but combined classwork homework will not do, okay? Yes, Patel, what is the confusion in question 3?
Scale.
Okay. Maximum is 150. 1 centimeter equals to 10 rupees. So 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 up till 150. 15 lines will be required. Yes, Ramati? In which question? Third question, you'll make the logical order. First you'll write company C, then you'll write company D, then A, then E, and then B. Is anything else? Ask it to me without hesitation. Any other doubts? Now, understand the next diagram, divided by diagram. 2 examples again will take up, as I said, they are time consuming, so more than 2 it's not possible. So next 2 we take up today, divided and percentage divided by diagram. Now the main important point is in question when this is suitable, appropriate. You'll always get confused between multiple bar diagram and divided bar diagram because both will be based on 2 characteristics. Simple bar diagram, no confusion. When you are given only 1 characteristic. Okay, might stand up for some time. The confusion will be between multiple bar diagram and divided bar diagram because both will be based on how many characteristics. So how to decide whether we should take multiple or divided? Whenever you are given information which has sub parts of data. Repeat. Me. Whenever you have information which has sub parts of data, you make divided bar diagram. Then what we'll do is 1 bar itself will divide in sub parts. 1 bar itself we will divide in sub parts. For example, suppose now in 11th and 12th you get marks out of 700. 7 subjects you get marks out of 700. You get marks of accounts, statistics, economics, business organization, English, Gujarati, computer. 7 subjects. Okay? Whatever marks total you have obtained, 620, 600, 580, 480, whatever. Will that contain 7 sub parts or not? Yes. If you obtain 580 out of 700, then 580 will include 7 sub parts: accounts, stats, eco, PO, English, Gujarati, and computers. Here we will make divided bar diagram because the data is divided into sub parts. So whenever you can identify the sub parts of the data, you have to make which diagram? Divided bar diagram. Raise your hand who did not understand this. So when do we have to make divided bar diagram? When there are sub parts of the data. Okay? Page number 47. Still feeling tired? Sure? Sit down. Page 47, underline the first sentence at the top. If the data related to different places, things or times consists of several mutually related sub-data on the different components are presented on bar diagram by dividing it in accordance with the sub-data, then the diagram obtained is called simple divided bar diagram. Circle the word several mutually related sub-data. Circle that part. As I said, whenever you have the data in sub-parts, then we will make divided bar diagram. Okay? For example, page number 55. Page number 55. Does question 3, 4, 5 look similar or not? Yes or no? Question 3 also has 2 characteristics: price of share and price of share after 15 days. Question 4 also has 2 characteristics: birth rate and death rate. Question 5 also has 2 characteristics: what? Region A and region B. Okay, but in question 5, can I say, listen carefully, In question 5, can I say children, young, adult and old people are sub-parts of region A? Yes or no?
Yes.
Same way, can I say children, young, adult, old people are sub-parts of region B? Yes or no?
Yes.
Question 4, can I say USA, Japan, Bharat, Germany and UK is a sub-part of birth rate?
No.
Question 3, can I say companies A, B, C, D, E are sub-parts of price of share? So question 3 and 4 we made multiple bar diagram. But in question 5, children, young, adult and old people are sub-parts of region A and B. So what is the suitable diagram here? Divided bar. So underline appropriate diagram in question 5 and write down in bracket divided bar diagram because sub-parts are given. Okay, divided bar diagram because sub-parts are given. Raise your hand who did not understand why in question 3 and 4 multiple bar diagram and why in question 5 divided bar diagram. Everyone is clear with that? Now how to make the workings understand it? I am making it for region A and you'll try it on your own for region B. Okay? As we have to divide the bar in various parts, we need split up lines. As the bar is divided in various parts, what do we need? Split up lines. So how to make the calculations of split up lines? Understand that. Okay? First of all, you are given with age. Then you are given with region A and will find its split up line. Same thing you'll do it on your own for region B and its split up line. There is a shortcut way of doing it without the workings also. I used to do it last year, but some of the schools they did not give the marks. They say workings are compulsory. So following your textbook, I am making the workings, no shortcuts. I'll explain the shortcut. If they allow in your school, you can do that. Their workings are not required. Okay? But if they say no working is compulsory, then if you don't make that 0 marks, they'll give you. If it's a 5 marks diagram, they'll give you 0 marks. So I'm showing with workings as well as shortcut. You verify from your schools what is allowed. Okay? Age you can say less than 15, that is child. 15 to 35, that is young. 35 to 60, that is adult. And more than 60, that is old. Region A, 480, 360, 240 and 120, total is 1200. Even if the total is not given, it can be obtained. Is everyone clear with this? What is that? Any confusion so far? Now, split up line, how to make it, understand it. From the total, you subtract from top to bottom. From the total, you subtract from top to bottom. Means 1200 minus 480, 720. 1200 minus 480. Then 720 minus 360, 360. Then 360 minus 240. And then 120 minus 120, last will always come 0. So our bar will have the height of 1200 and that bar will divide in which lines? 0, 120, 360, 720. This will give us the various parts of divided bar. So how to obtain the split up lines? 1200 minus, that is, then 720 minus, that is 360, then 360 minus 240, that is 120. Then 120 minus 120, that is 0. Raise your hand who did not understand this. So on your own, you'll try it for region B. Do this workings. Now, who is this Mr. India? No names are written. Or Miss India. How can we identify? A message will go that you have not done the homework. Then you will be responsible, will not be responsible. Whose graph book is this? Yours. Write your name first. And newspapers. Write the names. Whenever you submit the homework, your names should be there. Otherwise, message of homework not done will go and you will only be responsible for that, okay? Who all are still making it for region B? Raise your hand. मैं बताऊंगा, बताने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. Okay, I'll show it, sir. I told you there is a shortcut also of doing it, sir. Explain it, don't worry. Okay. Region B, 350, 250, 200 and 200. See, I am going with the textbook because various school students will be coming. So textbook is generally done in maximum of the schools, the same method is followed. If any method different is done in your school, follow that. If you don't do that in your schools, the marks will not be given. So accordingly do it in your schools, okay? Now here we will do 1000 minus 350 is 650. Yes. Then 650 minus 250 is 400. 400 minus 200 is 200. And 200 minus 200 is 0. Are you all clear with this? Who all could get this correct? Who is not clear with any part in the workings? Who is still doing it? So write down heading. What did I tell you? Every graph first? Heading and scale. Write down simple divided bar diagram. Simple divided bar diagram showing age of people in region A and B. Here height of region A's bar will be 1200 and B will be 1000. Okay. So maximum we need 1200. Means what can we take the scale of 1 centimeter? 100 units. So you'll mention scale. On x-axis what will we write? Region. There is no scale. We'll simply write region. And on y-axis, we'll take 1 centimeter equals to 100 people or persons. Understood that, everyone? Any doubts in that? Now x-axis and y-axis, how to make it understand it properly? First understand x, everyone. Here we will show region and here we will show number of persons. Now equal width between two bars, and moreover here we have to make only two bars, one of region A and one of region B. So we leave 2 centimeters instead of 1. So first centimeter blank, second centimeter blank. Repeat. First and second centimeter blank. Third and fourth is of region A. Got it? Fifth blank, sixth blank, seventh and eighth is of region B. Raise your hand who did not understand this. See, we have to make only 2 bars. So instead of 1 centimeter, we make 2 centimeters bar. And between the bars, the gap should also be equal. First, we leave 2 centimeters space. Then 2 centimeters we make for region A. Then again, we leave 2 centimeters space. And 2 centimeters bar we make for region A. Did you understand this? Anyone else not clear with this? You can make a bar of 3 centimeters also because there are only 2 bars. Just keep it in mind. Both the bars should be equal width. If region A you make 3 centimeters, B also In between you can leave 1 centimeter gap also, it's fine. But between both the bars then there should be 1 centimeter gap. If you leave 2 centimeters gap, then both the bars there should be 2 centimeters. We are following a simple rule 2, 2, 2 everywhere. 2 centimeters gap, 2 centimeters bar, 2 centimeters gap, 2 centimeters bar. So no confusion in this. Any confusion in this? And here we'll make from 100 to 1200. Okay, start with it. 2 minutes I'll give for this process, do it fast. And mention also region, number of persons, see that all the details are mentioned. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear ended? Region A's bar make with the height of 1200 and region B's bar make with the height of 1000. So region A 1200 and region B 1000. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Made the two bars. The height of the bar will be equal to the total. So total of region A 1200 is the height of A's bar. Total of region B 1000 is the height of B's bar. Any doubt in that? All of you have completed?
Yes.
Now, split up lines we have to mark. First one is 0. We already have the origin, so no need to do the marking. After 0 it is 120. You'll start this way. So after 0, what is the next split up line? 120. Now, one more thing. Raise your hand. What is one line's value? Like yesterday we did 0.2. Raise your hand. What is one line's value? Manish? Where is Manish? Yes, okay. 100 divided by 10. That is 10. Everything you divide by 10 only because in 1 centimeter there are how many lines? 10 lines. So 120 means here, after 100 you'll get 110. And after 110 you'll get 120. So in 120 you'll make one line. Split up line. Therefore we call it as split up line. Understood this 120, how to get it? Raise your hand, understand this? Raise your hand who is not clear with 120. All are clear with it? Dhruvi? Panchita? Clear with this? After 120, what is the next split up line? 0 is done, 120 is done, then 360. Now 360 means we are ready here. After 300, 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, then 60. 6 lines. After 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 lines after that. So 360, all of you will make one more part. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Raise your hand who did not understand why 360 and where 360. What is the last one? 720. So after 700, 710, 720. Make it for region B on your own. Okay, make the split ups for region B on your own. Whose scale is this? Where is yours? Why you have not brought yours? Everyone should be carrying your own scales, pencils, everything. I told you yesterday itself. Who all have completed region B? Okay, check it. First is 0, we have it. 200 directly we have it. 400 also we directly have it. 650 will be exactly between 600 and 700. Do you all get the split ups?
Yes.
Any confusion? Now shading will be done in each part, but same shading in both the bars. Like here the top, see here, this represents old people. This represents adult, young, children. Got it, everyone? So, let's say children, small children circles. Both the diagrams same you'll do. Okay, both the diagrams same shading. After children, at the top, young. So young do hearts. It's not necessary that it should be a representative diagram. Anything can be done. Okay. After that it is adults. So adults, vertical lines. What happened? Okay. And after adults, old people, heartbeats, waves. Yes, you can leave. सब नहीं. Any one only you can leave blank. Okay. Now here you will represent that circle is child, hearts is young, vertical lines adult, and waves or heartbeats are old people. That you will represent. Understood this portion, everyone? Anyone having any doubt in this? So raise your hand who did not understand how to make simple divided bar diagram. More important than that, are you able to identify when to make simple divided bar diagram?
Yes.
And when to make multiple bar diagram? Whenever you find sub parts are given, you will make sub parts are there divided. If you cannot identify the sub parts, you will make multiple bar diagram. Who are doing it still? Thirty more seconds will pass. Shading should not take time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear in that? Can you compare the two and tell me? Listen, everyone. Can you compare the two and tell me in which bars or in which region do you have more adults? Region A. See here. Is region A more than region B or not?
Yes.
So can we say that there are more adults in region A compared to region B?
Yes.
Looking at the diagram, here you can see 240 and in the diagram also we can see region A, the adults are looking more, region B, the adults are looking less. Okay. So can we say that in region A there are more adults than region B? No. It is wrong to say that in region A there are more adults than region B. Because in region A there are more people, so there will be more adults. In region B there are less people, so there will be less adults. You cannot say compared to region B there are more in region A. You cannot say compared to Nepal there is more population in India. It will be more only. You cannot say compared to Nepal there are more children in India. It will be more only. Because India's population is also huge. So region A, if the people are more, then adults will also be more. See here. What is 1200's 20%? 240. Okay. What is 1000's 20%? 200. So here also there are 20% adults. Listen carefully. Here also there are 20% adults. So are adults more in region A or are adults Same in both the regions. They are same in both the regions. We cannot do the comparison in divided bar diagram. That is its limitation. The limitation of divided bar diagram is that you cannot compare A with B. Why? Because the height of both the bars is different. So comparison between the two is not possible. Okay. Therefore, the next alternative we have percentage divided bar diagram. What we do in percentage divided bar diagram is, what is the maximum percentage possible? We take the height of both the bars 100. Now when height of both the bars is same, can you make a comparison or not?
No.
So there you can compare one diagram with the other. Okay, so what is the limitation of this divided bar diagram? Comparison between the two parts of two bars is not possible, because bar which has more height will definitely have more parts, bigger parts, and the bar which has less height will definitely have smaller parts compared to the bigger one. When can you exactly compare the two things? When the height of both the bars is same. Is everyone clear with it? And when do we make it same? By percentage divided bar diagram. Jen, what is the conclusion?
सर ऐसा हम लोग कंपेयर कर सकते हैं सर, क्योंकि अगर डेंसिटी है ना तो उसमें क्या होगा कि पॉप सेम नहीं है, तो कंपेयर कर ही सकते हैं ना डेंसिटी.
I'll explain. Clear ended? Suppose which two schools major students are coming here? Reliance and GRE. Okay? Now GREMS, let us say that Harmit has scored 40 marks. Listen carefully. How much Harmit has scored?
40.
You have scored 35 marks. Can you say that Harmit has performed better? No. He scored 40 out of 100. You scored 35 out of 50. Can I say that Harmit has performed better? Can I do the comparison between you both? One height is 100, in that 40 part will be smaller. The other height is 50, in that 35 part will be bigger. When can you do the comparison? When you make both of them equal, that is. So when you practically want to compare the two things, then you have to take the height of both of them same. Then only comparison of the two will be possible. So if you really want to know which region has comparatively more children or more young people, then you have to make both of them in percentage. Then only you can find the same. Otherwise, region A will have more children. Reason, it has more number of people. But comparatively, when I say compared to region B, you will be able to find out only when you convert the same in percentages. Did you get the point? Anyone having any doubts in this? In one school, there are suppose 200 people studying in commerce. And because of that, 10 people get above 90 marks. So you cannot say that the result is very good. One more school is there, there are only 30 people studying in commerce, but 6 people got more than 90 marks. So their comparison cannot be done that 10 is better than 6. Comparison would be possible when you say 10 out of 200 means only 5% people got more than 90 marks. But 6 out of 30 means 20% people got more than 90 marks. So when is the comparison between the two possible? When the height is same. So after divided bar diagram, the next is the alternative to cover up that limitation. What is that? Percentage divided bar diagram. Anyone else who is not clear with this? All are clear with it? So what we have to do extra in percentage divided bar diagram is, after region A we have to obtain percentage. From percentage we'll make the split up. I'll explain you for region A and you'll do it for region B. Look at question 6. Same question 5, we have to do it now by percentage divided bar diagram. What is asked in question 6? Percentage divided bar diagram. So I am showing it for region A and you'll do it for region B, be attended. First of all, what we will have to do is, this actual figures we will have to convert into, and then we will obtain splittable lines. See that you make the columns at the end because you require same columns for region B, percentage and then split up lines. So understand this first, how to do it for A. First of all, how to convert it in percentages. Each figure divide by 1200 into 100. How will you obtain percentage? Each figure divide by the total 1200 into means 480 divide by 1200 into 100. 40%. 1200 is 40% is 480. Akshat, next percentage how would you obtain? 1200 into 360 divided by 100.
10.
What 10? Did you understand the first percentage? And tell me the second in the same manner.
2 divided by 1200
Into 100. 360 divided by 1200 into 100, that is?
8.
Did you understand this, everyone? Akshat, next.
240 upon 1200 into 100.
240 upon 1200 into 100, that is 20. Mancha, the last. How will you obtain the percentage? Just tell me the calculation. Test and do. Just speak out the calculation. I don't want you to calculate. How will you find percentage? Stand up. You're never attentive when I'm explaining something. 3 points we discussed till you're not attentive. Dhruvi?
Sir, 120 divided by 1200 into 100 is 10.
These very, very simple things. Be attentive to what is going on. You're not attentive only. Is it so difficult? 120 divided by 1200 into 100. I've shown the calculation also. 120 divided by 1200 into 100. Does it come to 10% or not? Is everyone clear how to obtain it? Now shortcut method. Do it. 480 divide 2 times. 1200 percentage. Don't press on. What do you get?
40.
Now directly press 360 percentage.
30.
Now directly press 240 percentage.
20.
Directly press 120 percentage. One more time do it. 480 divide 1200 percentage. Now directly press 360 and percentage, 240 and percentage, 120 and percentage. But then do it for now split line we have to do from this total will come to 100, 40, 70, 90, 100. The total 40 plus 30, 70 plus 20, 90 plus 10, 100. Now split up line 100 minus 40, 60. Same way. But you looked it from percentage. So 100 minus 40, then 60 minus 30, then 30 minus 20, then 20 minus 10. 10. Sorry, 10. And last should always come 0. Any confusion in this? Do it for region B. Complete this and do it for region B. Who have completed region B? See 35%, 25%, 20 and 20%. Who is not able to get this? Total will come 100. 100 minus 35. 65. 65 minus 25. 40. 40 minus 20. 20 and 20 minus 20. 0. Okay. Now here the heading will be percentage divided bar diagram showing age of people in region A and B. Here percentage means always take 1 centimeter 10%. Always you will take 1 centimeter 10% and 10 lines will be required. Okay. So we'll mention on x-axis region and on y-axis 1 centimeter we take it as 10%. And exactly same way 2 centimeters blank, 2 for region A, 2 blank, 2 for region B. And your 10 to 100. Do the mark next. 3 questions will be your homework for tomorrow. Illustration 27, 28 and exercise 2 section C question 16. 27, 28 are similar to the two ones we have done in the class, simple divided and percentage divided. 16 is bar diagram, what we did yesterday. Who are still doing the markings? Only 30 more seconds, do it fast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Be attentive now. Same procedure, but we'll do it from percentage. First of all, both the bars A and B make 100 height, equal height. Both the bars make it of height 100. Understood this? Both the bars will be of the height 100. Now split up lines are, see this one, 0, 10, 30 and 60. 0 we already have. After that 10, 30 and 60. Any confusion? By the way, here 10 divided by 10, 1. 10 divided by 10, 0, what's this? Use the calculator. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So every line is 1%. Means after 10 you will have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and then
20.
So in case if figures come in between, you must be able to find it out, okay? Do it for region B on your own. $65 will be between 60 and 70. Understood this, everyone? So split up lines exactly same we have to do it. 0, 10, 30 and 60. Here 0, 20, 40 and 65. And then shading again in the same manner you will do it. Understood this, everyone? Now see, here the comparison is possible because both the bars are same height. Can you see where there are more children? A we have more children or B we have more children? B has more circles, B has more children. Able to understand this, everyone? Same way, where do you find that young are more? A. Where do you find that adults are more? Equal. And where do you find old are more? B. So here the actual comparison is possible. Is everyone clear with this? Because both the heights are same. Any confusions? So homework is illustration 27, 28 and exercise 2 section C question 16. Okay. The shortcut method which I told you the attender. Guess what happened?
65 पे की है 65 split up
Okay, 55. So 65 will be here. Yes, be attended. The shortcut way of doing it was, if you don't make this working of split up line, add from bottom to top. Means, first split up do at 10. Then,
First split up do it.
10. What is 10 plus 20? Do the next split up at 30. Then 30 plus 30. Do the next split up at 60 plus 40. That you already have. Shortcut without the workings of split up line. Add from bottom to top. So 10 first split up, 10 plus 20. 30 next split up. 30 plus 30. 60 next split up. 60 plus 40. If they allow in your school. Compulsory. Bye everyone. No bye, sit down. Everyone sit at your places. No one will stand up, sit at your places. Sit down. All of you keep seated at your places.